Okay, coming back to instead of printing drones with my 3D printer, I want to show you all something that we can do to help out with our medical community that is really overwhelmed with treating people with the coronavirus. One thing that I'm told that people need are these face shields. So I'll show you what they look like. Here's one right here. Back it up a little bit so you can see. And then I'll put some straps on the back there so they can be able to put that on there. So this is a very easy 3D printable type set, and that's what it looks like inside there, but I'm going to show you how to get to it. So if you just open up a web browser and you type in mechanicad.com, let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see it. So http mechanicad.com/faceshield.zip, and once you hit that, it'll automatically download. See right there. If you click that, it's already there. If you open it up, it's going to be a zip of 2 files. One is going to be the actual face shield set, STL, and that's what my printer uses. And then you have the actual pins that go into the top. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and I've already downloaded it and put that in there. So then what I'll do is, let me close the screen so you can see that. So there's the actual mask there, and then when you're done printing the mask, then you have the 4 shield pins. Say no, put the pins in, there they are. So I'll zoom in, and you may have to orient them. Let's see, I think I'm going across the x-axis, so 90 degrees. Here we go. And I may have to land them. Where's my land? Land is, might have passed it. Oh, there it is, I already went by it. Bam, there we go. So it's already landed. So you print that, print the mask, and I'll show you what they look like when it comes off the printer. Okay, so now that my printer is finished printing, actually it's still printing a bunch more over here. So here's the first thing. So there's 4 holes up at the top, and then you have these 4 pins, as you can see that there. And then I actually had a 1/2-inch elastic band material, and it'll fit right in this order. So then you need a hole punch, and then I have this Kodak. I'll let you see that a little closer there. So Kodak transparency film. So it's for use in playing copiers, what have you. That there is, you can get it at Office Depot and some other office supply stores. I'll just take out one right there. So how do you put all this together? Well, I found the easiest way to do it is to just line it up and use some tape. There you go. And it's going to go this way. So this is only a standard paper size set, so it's just 8.5 by 11. So I'll just take the corners here. Make it as even as I can. Excuse the noise in the background. It's my 3D printer wailing away there. I'm going to keep it running until I run out of filament to make these masks for our medical community. Let's tighten that up a little bit. It's probably easier if I just do it this way. That looks right. And then I have a Sharpie or some other kind of ink thing there to mark it, ink pen to mark it. So I just mark the holes. Just moved it a little bit. And the last one, right there. And then just take it off and hole punch it. The catch is with hole punch, you just gotta look a little hard to make sure you can line up the red dot over the hole. There we go, pretty close. Another one. tight, but it should still work. There we go. Now the other thing too is sometimes, most of the time, the holes don't get the snap all the way through, so you may have to take some scissors or something, cut that extra part off. It hangs out. That's okay. Bend that down a little more. And remember, all you need is just enough to be able to get the pin through and for it to connect with the mask. Alright, that should be fine. And just tape it back on there. Lining up the holes. Corner first. There we go, there's one. Two. This was a little off center, but should be alright. Three. And then the last one. Almost lost my pen there. Perfectly lined up, it'll work. There we go. Yep. And so then what you do with the elastic band is just, let's see here. I think I come in from the behind this way, back of the mask. 1/4 inch elastic is what I'm talking about. Feed that through. And do the other side same way, come back from the back end here, from the behind. It doesn't have to, you don't have to pull it too tight, just enough so it's snug. And then that way. I got a little frame going on there too, I have to pull that off. Okay, so there you have it. Have it all completely assembled with the pins in and the elastic strap on the back, and you see how you can just tighten it up. It should be just snug enough where it should hold when you put it on. Don't have to overstretch it too much. Like I said, I'm going to be donating these to start with our local hospital first, and if they don't need it, then I'll probably send it up north to New York or whoever else might need it. But I do know that our medical community is on the front lines fighting the coronavirus and supporting our people out there who've been infected. So if you have a 3D printer, go out there and do your part. Thanks, everyone.